What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Blazing Sky. I am Johnny. It has been a long time, hasn't it? We have had a very busy schedule. We still work. YouTube isn't our full-time gig. We still have 2 kids that are homeschooled. About this time last year, we had tried to get Sky her first motorcycle. Instead of buying a brand new motorcycle for her, we had purchased a used Suzuki GSX-R 600, but Sky didn't like riding alone, so she ended up selling it, and we got into e-biking instead as a family. And the need for speed has always been there. She's been itching to ride more and more. Recently we did sell her e-bike, so she's been bikeless. Her brother and I have been riding around the block by ourselves mostly. So there's not really a lot of content. That's why you guys see a lot of shorts of just him and I just roaming the block. But I have a surprise for y'all, and a surprise for her as well. It was yesterday I had received a notification saying that there was a package being delivered from FedEx. And then I saw a camera notification and saw that a huge 18-wheeler had pulled up, a big FedEx freight truck. I was thinking this is just gonna be one of those regular FedEx trucks. A couple guys hop out and just... No, it was one big giant 18-wheeler with one package inside, just one. And it was for us. I was at work. I recorded it as soon as I saw the FedEx truck, and you'll see what happens here. So for the past couple years here or so, Sky's been getting the hand-me-down bike. The Gixxer 600 was used. Her electric bike, the electric XP 2.0, was used, while we all got brand new bikes ourselves. This time she is getting a brand new bike. Let's see what we got. We're about to get to the unboxing here. Any guesses what it could be? Before we show you what's under the tarp here, we did consider a lot of other e-bikes prior to choosing this one, and we'll let you know why we chose it over all the other brands. Stick around. What is it? Can you see it? Can you guys see it? What could it be? Let's go. It is a Talaria. Alright, without further ado, let's get to unboxing. Alrighty, we got it all put together. This is the Talaria X3. The reason we chose these over, or this one over the other bikes, is because of the size. We're not big people, we're not tall. I'm 5'7", she's 5'5", and this is the perfect size for us. And we do most of our riding in the street, so rather than going to have to swap out to street tires, these already come with it. And for the value, it's great. The range, the power is more than enough. This is something new for her. Ha!
Yeah.
We'll get a first ride in a little bit here. Stay with us. There she goes.
Oh.
What you think?
Nice.
Now she's got it in sport mode.
Watch out for the tree.
Alright guys, my turn to take it for a spin. I'm gonna start off in eco mode. Let's see what we got going on here.
Woo! Hell yeah.
Woo! I hit 51.
51. How responsive are the brake? Oh wow.
Little skirt. I don't know what I think.
Man.
Man, it's so amazing. I'm speechless. That's sport mode. Woo!
This thing just wants to ride a wheelie. It just wants to take off, bro. This thing's dope. What was that?
Eco.
Oh, let me do it with the big fast one. Put it on the fast one. I want to try.
His first time hitting over 30 on a bike.
Yeah, it's raining and we are still riding. Still riding, y'all.
Man. Bro.
Alright guys, there you have it. First ride of the Talaria XXX, X3, XXX, whatever you want to call it. Be sure to tune in for more. Like, subscribe, comment below. We'll see you in the next one.